Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to change sleep settings in Windows 10. The first option is go to the start menu and type settings and hit enter. In this new menu, select system. In the left side, scroll down and select power and sleep, and you can change the frequency when your screen log out or power off or set in hibernate mode. Power and sleep screen when plugged in, turn off after, and you can select any other option, for example 20 minutes. Sleep when the plugged in PC goes to sleep after, and select 2 hours, for example, and change the performance and energy, and change this slider of the right of the light, the left or right side for best performance or best energy savers. Other alternative for enter in this menu sería go to the start menu and type control panel and hit enter. You can change view by and select large icons and select power options, and click on change the plan settings, one click, and you can change this option, for example 1 hour or 3 hours. To apply the change, click in the save settings or go to change advanced power settings and select an specifically option for example PCI Express port or USB port or display port or multimedia settings, and click on OK. And this is all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.